And moving on, former Defence Minister Manohar Parrikar has slammed Rahul Gandhi and the Congress for politicizing the surgical strikes. In fact, slamming the Congress, Parrikar has asked whether the forces should have taken Rahul Gandhi along with them while they conducted these strikes. Let's listen in to what he said.
सर्जिकल स्ट्राइक केले हांव सर्जिकल स्ट्राइक पॉलिटिकल हाका काय सांगिना विरोधी पक्षाचें कितें म्हणणें करूच ना म्हणून म्हणजे नेगेटिविटी कशी आहा आतां तुमकां बरोबर घेवन वतलो आसलो न्हय आर्मीक सांगतलो आसलो की राहुल गांधीक बरोबर घे आनी सर्जिकल स्ट्राइक करूं.
Here you heard the former Defence Minister Manohar Parrikar, who slammed Rahul Gandhi and the Congress for politicizing the surgical strikes while questioning Rahul Gandhi if the army should have taken him along while they conducted these strikes. Snehesh Alex Phillips, our deputy editor, now joining us on the phone line. That's a strong statement by Parrikar. Snehesh.
Absolutely, and that's a very strong statement that has come from none other than former Defence Minister Manohar Parrikar. Remember that Parrikar was the Defence Minister when the surgical strikes were carried out, and I know for the fact that it was Prime Minister, then Army Chief Dalbir Singh Suhag, Parrikar, the NSA, the Northern Army Commander and the 15 Corps Commander who were in loop and who had planned out the entire operation, the surgical strike that led to a serious setback to the Pakistani morale. Now, for the opposition has always been raising questions on whether this surgical strike was indeed carried out, and now Republic was the first to come out with exclusive footage showing indeed that the surgical strike did happen. And hence, Parrikar, he probably got irritated by this constant opposition attack and asked whether the opposition leaders should have been taken along while the surgical strike was being carried out. And this is a very pun-intended question, but it's a fact for the fact that he has been absolutely clear that the surgical strike is something that did happen. Surgical strike is something that led to a severe blow to the Pakistani military morale. The fact is that the surgical strike, it was a well-planned, coordinated, secret operation.
Absolutely, Snehesh, and which is why he has reiterated that secrecy is most important for strikes like these. He slammed Rahul Gandhi for his negativity. Let's once again listen in to what he said.
सर्जिकल स्ट्राइक केले हांव सर्जिकल स्ट्राइक पॉलिटिकल हाका काय सांगिना विरोधी पक्षाचें कितें म्हणणें करूच ना म्हणून म्हणजे नेगेटिविटी कशी आहा आतां तुमकां बरोबर घेवन वतलो आसलो न्हय आर्मीक सांगतलो आसलो की राहुल गांधीक बरोबर घे आनी सर्जिकल स्ट्राइक करूं.